We are from Team Golden Admissions. It is a private limited company established in 2020. Just completed your 12 standard, from various streams? Looking forward to pursue various undergraduation courses from top educational institutions? But feels like not ready financially? Don't worry, you are at the right place. Now pay your college tuition fees on monthly basis with a maximum tenure of 20 years. Or, pay after completion of your studies. Wait? Still not convinced? How about pay only when you get a job? Yes, what you heard was right. Now start studying in Golden Universities of India, with the help of Golden Pay Service by Golden Admissions Organization. Stop thinking and start typing. www.goldenadmissions.in. Go to Golden Pay Service session. Check out the various payment modes, and choose among various plans that suits you, and check the prerequisites. Then, go to Golden University's session to check out the universities and courses that you are willing to pursue. Go to Departments and Courses session to check out the courses from 5+ departments, 27+ branches, and 150+ specializations according to your stream. Not only that, now you don't need to worry about attempting various entrance examinations. Just attempt our Golden Admissions aptitude test and join a university that you are dreaming of.